Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's Carissa here, and if my eyes look a little tired, I'm looking in the mirror, I look ridiculous. I look like Lord Voldemort. Like I'm gonna take this down and there's just gonna be a creature back here. It is a little earlier than I usually film. So if you hear jumping around upstairs, that is Matthew. He's upstairs doing his virtual learning. All right, today's video is gonna be Halloween themed, and I am not someone who really likes to dress up for Halloween. For me, it's more focused on the children because I've been a mom since I was 19 years old. So for me, it's just more about dressing up Matthew and taking Matthew trick-or-treating. I do enjoy decorating the house and I do enjoy Halloween festivities, but costumes just really aren't for me. For today's makeup look, I'm gonna be doing just a really cute Halloween themed look that I would definitely wear on my face, like around, out and about, trick-or-treating, what have you, but it's not gonna be like a costume makeup look. So we are going to be pulling from a very controversial holiday candy treat, and that is gonna be candy corn. I know some people hate candy corn, some people love candy corn, some people haven't tried it because it just looks a little sketchy. Personally, I really like it, so I'm gonna be doing a candy corn themed makeup look today. So if you are interested in a Halloween themed makeup look, if you are interested in learning how to do a little candy corn eyeshadow situation, then continue watching. And please remember, if you like this video and if you like me, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and that's gonna give you notifications when I post new content. Also, I want to apologize for the video being a day late, but you know, life happens. So happy Halloween, everybody. I hope you enjoy this look, and let's get started. As you can see, I went ahead and did my brows. So let's get cracking on this eye look. I'm gonna take my concealer. This is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in a matte finish. And I'm just gonna put a little dollop on each lid and blend that all over. This is gonna be my base for my shadow. I forgot, oh, it's actually kind of damp, perfect, okay. So just blending this all over the lid, making sure that you cover because we want a nice smooth base for our shadows, especially because we're using yellow and orange and sometimes they can be hard to get good pigment. I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade of White Sands. This stuff is so good. I really love it. I'm gonna take a small brush and just dust this all over my lids. Lids, both of them, not just one. And this is gonna make a really nice base for the shadow. And if you watch my videos, you know this is what I always do, unless I forget, but you know, that happens sometimes. So we've got the lids primed and it's time to jump in with our shadows. I've got my, everything is so dirty. Ugh, my Jaclyn Hill Volume 2, and this palette has got this nice yellow, the shade is called No Joke. I've got this white here, Certified, and then a nice orange, Feeling Myself. So yeah, let's just jump right in and get started. For the look, I want to really keep the candy corn in the right order. So we're gonna be doing orange towards the outer of the eye, and then yellow in the middle, and the white on the inside. And I'm definitely gonna be using a shimmer as well. Alrighty. I'm gonna go in with the orange shade. Where is it? Here it is, Feeling Myself. And I'm just gonna really pack that in on the outer corner. I really want as much pigment as I can get. So I'm not worried too much about making a mess on my face. This is why I'm doing my eye look first. So right now is really just about placement. Dipping into that No Joke. There's a lot of fallout here, you guys, but I'm not tapping off my brush because I really want to get as much pigment onto the lid as possible. That's great. Now we need to go in and do our white. So I'm gonna grab yet another packing brush. This is just a small little guy because I'm working with a smaller area. So I'm picking up my white shade, Certified, in my palette. I'm gonna take this just like nice fluffy brush And I think I'm gonna take a little bit of white and just like a dot of yellow and gently around the edges. And I'm gonna start on the inside with my lighter shades, because once that orange hits my brush, that's it. Like it's gonna be staying. Okay, that's my Jeffree Star cremated palette, and there is a really nice white shimmer in here. It's called Diamonds Ashes, so that's what I'm gonna use. It is definitely very white, and I'm actually going to take this shade Death Blow, this really white shade, and I'm just going to touch up my white inner corner area because it got a little yellow in there, and I don't want it to read yellow. I want it to be white, like a candy corn. I'm going to use a finger to apply this white shimmer. This is what it looks like. It's a very, very pretty white shimmer. And that is not, what? Okay, let's try this instead. I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to pack on just the matte white shade, and I'm gonna give it a spray with some setting spray and then dip back into that shimmer. And it's not even picking up at all. Okay, so that's not gonna be the way to apply it, never mind. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into that with my finger again and just pack it on. I mean, it's looking a little chunky, but I think it's because I did the setting spray. I don't like that. What? I do not like that. Let's just try to blend it into the yellow a little more. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. I'm going to grab a makeup wipe and clean up my edges, and then we're gonna go in with some liner. So one of my very best friends, we've been friends forever and ever, it feels like. She sent me the sweetest little package. She got me some things that I had mentioned that I just needed in my last video. And she surprised me and sent me a little Ulta care package, which literally made me cry. It was so sweet and so thoughtful. And that's a good friend, you guys. Like, get you a friend like that. Get you a friend like that. She got me the 16-hour, literally, let me read this. Okay, the 16-hour breakup-proof, waterproof liquid eyeliner, and then underneath it says it's waterproof, cry-proof, humidity-proof, smudge-proof, and fade-proof, which is literally everything that I need in my life. So I'm very excited. It's a black liner. I love that I can hear it kind of like mixing up inside. So I'm just gonna do some black liner. I'm gonna start on the inner corner. Ooh. Oh, yes, this is definitely black. Oh, wow. It's gliding like a dream. Sorry, guys, I know you probably could not see what I was doing. So far, this is incredible. I mean, not a skip at all. Okay, so I went a little dramatic on the liner, but I kind of had to because I messed up on one eye, and you can't have one eye one way and the other one not the same way. So I just went ahead and let that be what it be. I am definitely so far very impressed with this and very happy with this. So thank you, Katie. You the real one. And this hard candy liner is literally going in the garbage. That was trash and I did not enjoy. Honestly, you guys, the rest of the face is gonna be pretty basic. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my face real quick, and then I'll be back because I wanna do a little extra something. So I will be back in a moment. We need to talk really quick about these eyelashes. So in my last video, I used them. I didn't really talk much about them, and I definitely need to at this point. So the lashes that I used in my Savage Show recreation video, and then I used them again today, are these Kiss magnetic eyeliner, and lashes. The lashes do not stick. I ended up just grabbing some lash glue and doing it the normal way. So they're on. I wouldn't recommend spending your money on it. I'm ready to finish my eye look now. I'm gonna go and do the under eye. So I'm just starting with yellow, and I'm kind of sticking to like the inner area, and I'm just gonna apply that yellow and just kind of like blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna dip into my orange and take the orange around the outer portion of my lower lash line and just kind of like marry the two together. All that fuss around my lashes like really made my eyes water. So if my eyes look like I'm about to cry, I'm so sorry, you guys. That's why. It's not because I'm sad. Well, actually, I am sad that those lashes aren't the hit. I'm going to grab my cremated palette and take that shade that we put on the lid for our white, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. There we go, and just kind of like marry it all together. So it's just one giant candy corn. So I'm gonna take this Ulta Beauty New Heights Lifting Mascara, and I'm just gonna apply this to my bottom lashes. The very last thing that I wanna do, because I already have everything else done, I wanna make some little candy corns on my face. I'm gonna grab a small brush. Okay, so this is like a teeny little like detailing brush. I'm gonna get some concealer. I can find it. There we go. I'm just gonna put a little concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use the concealer to draw out the shape of the candy corns. There's one little corn, maybe like another corn. Just gonna start with my white and work my way down. Here comes the yellow, and then last but not least, the orange. Can't forget the very last step. Let's set this, because I am gonna leave this on my face for the day. That was really something. I've been filming, I don't know what time it is now, it's probably almost 12. I've been filming since 9:30. There was a lot of breaks involved. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. This is my Halloween candy corn inspired makeup look. I think the little candy corns are so cute. I think this turned out really nice. I mean, it was definitely a long road to get here, but I think it's just circumstantial. Today it's been a morning, we'll just say. It's been a morning. But this look is fun. I think it's really cute, and I'm gonna leave it on for the rest of the day. So we'll see how it wears. As always, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Quick note, if you guys are interested in seeing a wearable version of the Savage Show look that I did last week, you can go to my Instagram. That's at Carissa Burns Beauty, and you can see some photos of the look that I did. I hope that everybody has a safe Halloween. Have fun, but please, be smart if you're going out into the world. Happy Halloween, everybody, and I will see you guys next time.